Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So,
Good
statistics
morning, ma'am.
are completed. Do you have any doubt in statistics?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So today we'll start with new chapter, which is we have not done module 2, commercial mathematics. So I'll start with chapter 8, percentage. All of you already know how to convert percent into fraction. What is percent? Is out of 100. That is percent. Okay, per 100. That is percent. So anything out of 100 is represented in the form of percent. Percent sign is there. Okay, so this thing all of you know how to convert percent into fraction, how to convert percent into decimal, how to convert decimal into percent, and fraction into percent. All these things we have done. So the same thing is there in the first exercise. So we are going to start with the first exercise directly. Those who have forgotten, I'll just revise. Chapter is percent and its application 8. Yeah, probability I'm not starting. It's a small chapter. In the end, I'll do because this has so many exercises are there. So let us do this chapter. Probability, we'll finish it quickly because it is a small chapter. I think it is lesson 8. Okay. Now conversion of fraction into percent. How do we convert? Percent sign is this. Okay. Anything, if you have to convert it into percentage, you just multiply by 100. Okay. 100 and put a percent sign. Okay. And percentage into fraction, divide by 100 and remove percent sign. Okay. Decimal to percent multiply by 100 and put percent sign. Okay. And percent to decimal, divide by 100, remove decimal and convert, remove percent and convert to decimal. Okay. So these we have already done. We'll just do the exercise now. All these things we have studied in previous classes also. So we'll start with exercise now. Exercise 8.1. All of you please send me the answer in chat because it is already done thing. So question 1 is convert each of the following fraction into percentage. So what we'll do? Fraction to percentage means anything you have to convert to percentage, you have to, what you have to do? Multiply by 100. Okay, and put a percent sign. That is the rule. Fraction to percent, multiply by 100 and put percent sign. So first is, give me the answer, 12 by 25. Answer. Okay. Sakleen, correct answer. Mudabbir, wrong answer. Khalid, correct answer. Mudabbir, what mistake you did? Those who have done A, do B. I'm doing over here, those who have not got only 2-3 answer. Farhana, correct answer. Khadija, correct answer. Okay, Khalid, Khalid Sakleen, second answer you are giving correct answer. यहाँ पे you just have to multiply by 100, 24 fours are 48%. Okay. Ahmad, correct answer, first one. Second one, send me the second answer. Third is this. Please write A, B answer. Okay, Farhana, correct answer. Put percent sign because we are converting it into percent. Khadija, second answer correct. Second answer is 9 by 20 into 100. 45%. Third one, C part is 45%. Second is correct. C part 5 by 12. Okay. Ahmad, C part is wrong. Khalid, which part you are sending me? Sakleen, I think it is correct. No, just a minute. All different
Ma'am, I
answer.
sent you the C one.
C, Khalid, C. No, C is wrong. C is this, na? 5 by 12 I have given you. 2,
Yes,
6.
it is wrong.
Yes. 2 3s are 6. 2 25s are. So it is what? 25 5s are 125 by 3%. In decimal, if you are converting, 3 4s are 12 and 3 1s are 3. 41.67, you can say 41.67%. Somebody has got this. I think Sakleen, you have got 41.4 you wrote. 41.6 is there.
Ma'am, I got 41.3.
Yeah. Okay. So those who have not got corrected, decimal may, if you are writing the answer, it is like this. For a fraction may 125 by 3%. Okay. D part. D is 6 by 15. .3 is wrong, Khadija. It is 41 point something 6 tha na? Six by 15. Okay. Khadija, Khalid, correct answer. Just a moment. E. A, B, C, D. E is 125 by 625. Mudabbir, which answer D you are writing? D is wrong, Mudabbir. Check your calculation. Into 100, just you have to do that and put a percent sign. Sakleen and Khalid, which answer you are giving?
Ma'am, my fifth one is wrong.
Ma'am,
and
I have written the numbers behind. Like I have written the question number behind D and all.
Okay, okay. Khalid, E answer you have given. E is wrong.
Ma'am, E first you wrote.
अच्छा वो वाला क्या 3 by 10 I
that's one. Yes.
हाँ, then it was correct. Then it is. E is this one. Okay, I wrote wrong question. Khalid, D answer is correct now. Sakleen, earlier वाला था ना 30%, yes. E Khadija, it is correct. Why others are not giving? Where is Ahmad, Muazzam, Mudabbir, Farhana? D answer I have not got from you. Is there any doubt you can ask me? Although you have done it, because simple question me, if you're facing difficulty, please ask. 5 2s are 10, 0, 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. It is 40%. D answer is 40%. E answer, F you have given answer F. F is 3 by 10. F was 3 by 10 actually. G is 108 upon 300. E is correct. Saklen, Khalid.
Ma'am, mine is correct.
Which answer you sent? E part, no? E part is wrong. E is 125 by 625. Khadija, G part, correct.
Ma'am, now is E correct?
E, yes, now E is correct. Farhana, E is correct. Saklen, G is correct. Mudabbir, E is correct. Yes. 625 into 100. 25 25s are 25 4s are 25 5s are 20%. 3 by 10 is 3 by 10 into 100. 30%. Ahmad, I'm not getting answer from you. F, Mudabbir, F correct, given. Farhana, G is correct. H, I'm giving now. G is correct, Khalid. Ahmad, G is correct. %36%. H answer. $189 by, sorry, 150, not 50. If you have written 180, okay. H, Khalid, what
Ma'am, is
question?
H right?
H, what question you have taken?
Sorry.
Question
H1,
is
the 189 by 50.
okay. I wrote 150. Okay, 189 by 50. If you are doing, so how much is the answer?
26.46.
Why decimal में you are getting? Because 52 is 100 होता है, so you will not get answer in decimal.
Ma'am, it is coming in decimal.
You took 189 by 50.
No.
Then?
Yes.
So 189 by 50 is 52s are 100, 9 2s are 18, carry 1, 8 2s are 16, 17, carry on 378%.
No, ma'am. I took 50 by 189.
No, that is wrong now. Question I gave 189 by 150.
Okay.
189
Yes,
by
ma'am.
50. Okay. So write up the correct question. Okay, this is new H. H key answer, what you are getting? Ahmad, this is new H. 150 is there in the denominator. So how much we'll get? 189 upon 150 into 100 is equal to 1010 cancel. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. 3 से जाएगा.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yes, it is correct now. Mudabbir, correct answer. I is written over here.
Ma'am, mine is correct, right?
Yes, Khalid, Mudabbir, correct.
Ma'am, is I correct?
Yes, correct. Khalid, I is correct. Farhana, correct. Khadija, which answer you are getting? 126. 126 is H. That is correct. Sakleen, I you are getting no. Sakleen, wrong answer. Mudabbir, I is correct. Those who have done I, do J part.
Ma'am, is J correct?
J you got correct. Khadija, I is correct. Upon 25, you have to divide. You have to this much percentage, convert it into decimal. Only Khalid got J part correct. Khalid, did you divide or used calculator?
No, ma'am, I'm dividing.
No, you got na decimal mein answer.
Yes.
You divided na? Don't use
Yes,
calculator.
ma'am, I saw. No, ma'am.
This is 2462 divided by 25. Okay, it will go by 9 because 2, 4 very close to 25.
Eight, sir.
Yeah, 8 sir.
225. I mean 200, yeah.
120. So 25 4s are na?
4s are 100.
25 8s are.
8s are 200.
Because the phone line we have.
So answer is 94.48%. J part answer is 94.48%. Okay. Division I have done here. Okay, now question number 2. Question 2 is each of the following percent as a fraction. Convert percent to fraction. Okay, so what is the rule? You have to divide by 100 and remove the percent sign. Okay, and bring it in the lowest form. So first question, A is 53%. So what we'll do? 53 by
53 by 100.
correct. So lowest form mein hai, so answer is as it is. Okay. Now send me the answer for the next part. 85%. Lowest form mein answer. Khadija, lowest form, 85 by 100. You have to find it in the lowest form. Yes, Farhana, correct answer. (17 by 20). Mudabbir, correct answer. Saklain, correct answer. Khadija, now it is correct. Next is 16.7 by 8%. Okay. So how you will do this? Convert it into, first of all, mixed fraction ko improper fraction mein, and then divide it by 100 and remove the percent sign. What is it? 128 plus 7 upon 8 divided by 100, right? Which is how much? 135 upon 8 into 1 by 100. So 135 upon 800. Bring it in the lowest form. What is the answer? So answer is, see, you have to convert into fraction. So you'll write it in fraction form. Understood? C part I have done over here.
And we can leave it in the form of a fraction.
Yes, because question is convert to fraction. So fraction only you have to leave. Don't convert into decimal. Next part, 3.425%. This is D part. Okay. So again, the method you have to follow, divide it by 100, remove percent sign, bring it in lowest form. Answer should be in fraction. So how will you
Ma'am,
do this?
3425 by 1000 it will come.
3425
Then-
by 1000? No.
Ma'am,
See,
because if we remove the decimal.
No. You will remove the decimal later. First, remove the percent sign. So when I remove the percent sign, I'll divide it by 100, right? Now I will remove the decimal. So when I remove the decimal, I have to multiply by 1000 in the numerator and 1000 in the denominator. Okay. So your answer is 3425 divided by how many zeros
100.
we are getting? No. How many
100.
zeros? 5 zeros are there.
But ma'am, they will divide, like we can cut them, no? So
Now you cut. Okay. So answer is 137 divided by 4000. Okay. Understood what I did? See, step is you have to drop the percent sign and divide by 100. That I did. But it is in numerator. You have a decimal which you have to remove because answer should be in fraction. So for removing this decimal, I have to shift decimal 3 digits. So I need to multiply by 1000. Only in the numerator you cannot multiply. You have to multiply the same thing in the denominator. So we got this answer 5 zeros and bring it in lowest form. It is 137 upon 4000. Understood, Khalid?
yes, ma'am.
Now convert this thing on the same pattern and send me the answer now. All of you send the answer. Huh? E part. Saklen, it is wrong. Bring it in lowest form. Saklen and Khadija, both of you. It is not in the lowest form. Mudabbir, no. Still it is wrong. Do it again. 6.25 upon 100. Muazzam, correct. Farhana, correct. .25 divided by 100, drop the percent sign. Khalid, wrong. Saklen, wrong. Khadija, wrong. Still wrong. Remove decimal by multiplying numerator denominator by 100. 625 upon, you have 4 zeros. So 5. पहले 25 से ही कर लेते हैं. 25 25 are 625. 25 4s are 100, 400. Then we have 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 0. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8. So 1 by 16 is the correct answer. Not 5 by 16, 1 by 16. Those who have not got, check your mistake over here. Then F part, convert 70%. ये easy है, जल्दी से कर दो. Correct, Khadija. Saklen, Muazzam, correct. Mudabbir, correct. G part, it is a mixed fraction. Drop percent sign, divide by 100 and bring it in lowest form. Khadija, correct answer. G, correct. What is mixed ka improper? 15 4s are 60, 63 by 4. Divided by 100, so 63 by 400. Into 1 by 100 is 63 by 400. See, you have to drop percent sign and divide by 100. Divide by 100 fraction में reciprocal होता है. So 1 multiply by 1 by 100. Saklen, correct answer. So 63 by 400 is the answer. H part 0.0025. Drop percent sign, divide by 100. And then remove the decimal sign. Khadija, check your mistake. Wrong calculation. This is 0.0025. Divide by Muazzam. 4 zeros, na? Yes, Muazzam, correct answer. Saklen, 0 answer you have written. Saklen, 0 count karo. Mudabbir, correct answer. Saklen, 0, 1 0 is less. So 0 calculation theek karo. This is 100. And then 4 decimals. So 4 zeros, which is 25 divided by 1 2 3 25 4s are 100 40 okay 1 upon 4 के ऊपर 40 this is the answer yes Saklen now it is correct okay next question H we have done I 47.35% drop percent sign and divide by 100 then remove the decimal Uh, 1, 2, 3. Khadija, yes, correct answer. Mudabbir, correct answer. 0.525%. Muazzam, correct answer. Saklen, correct answer. Khadija, lowest form. Saklen, wrong answer. 0.525 you are sending, na? 0.525%. Our numerator is wrong, Khadija.
Ma'am, for the J question, I am getting 3 upon 4.
3 you're getting. Okay, let me. You wrote 3 by 4. Yeah, Muazzam got correct answer. Muazzam Mutabbir got correct answer. How you are getting 3 by 4,000? Even Khadija is getting that. Let us see 0.525 divided by 100. Okay, then multiply by 1000. 3 decimal we have to shift. So 525 upon 20 and 30. 5 ones are 5. 0 यहाँ पे miss किया है ना? When you divide 5.
Yes, ma'am. I wrote 15.
Yeah, 15 लिखा है. That's
just
why
wrote
it is 5 2s are 10. 2 2 3 4. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5 4s are 20. So 21 by 4,000 is the correct answer.
I am getting it correct now.
Yes, division में be careful. See, 525 को divide करोगे 5 से. 5 ones are 5. 2 comes down. 2 not divisible means 2 is smaller. So 0 आएगा, right? 105, not 15. Understood, Saklen? What was your mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, next question number 3 is write each of the following decimal as percent. Convert decimal to percent. Anything 2%, you have to multiply by 100 and put a percentage sign. Okay, remember that. So A part hai 0.97. So you just multiply it by 100. And how much is it?
57%.
Correct, 97%. Okay. B is 0.735. What is the answer?
73.5%.
Correct. C, 0.03.
3%.
Yes. So this is 3%. D is 2.07. So 2.07 into 100, 207%. E is 0.8. So 0.8
80%.
100 is 80%. ठीक है, all questions I'm doing simple है ये. You are sending some message, Mudabbir, or chatting among yourself. You to me?
I'm not sending you, but I by mistakenly sent. Ma'am, when Sakleen sent me a message, so I sent him the answer by mistakenly. So that's why.
Okay, so you are sending answers among yourself. You are discussing
ma'am.
the answer and then
No,
sending
ma'am.
it over here.
I wanted to send the answer to you, but Sakleen messaged me so that it changed automatically to Sakleen. Then I
Okay,
sent it by mistake.
okay, okay. Okay, 1.75. Just complete this. I'm writing the question. Okay, 0.0.
175%.
Just write the answer. I'm just sending you the questions. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, just complete this. Yes. So this is how much? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H that I have given. This is how much? 175%. This is 2.5%. This is 325.75%. Okay. Just multiply it by 100. And A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H ho gaya. I is written over here. I is 0.152 is equal to
15.2.
2%. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, J 3.0015 equal to 300.15%. Okay. So this is simple. Write the following percent as decimal. Next question is, next page. Question number 4. Write each of the following percent as decimal. Decimals means we have to convert percentage into decimal. Drop the percent sign and divide, put 100 divided by 100. That is the rule, and convert it into decimal. So first question, A is 72%. Drop the percent sign, divide it by 100 and convert it into decimal. So this is the answer. Okay. Rest of the answer you send now. Okay. Send the answer in chat. Write the question number and send the answer. Okay. Sakleen, Mudabbir, correct answer. C, Sakleen, correct. Khadija, B is wrong. Khadija, 0.3, what answer you have sent? Mudabbir, correct answer. C is correct. Sakleen, which answer you have sent me?
D1.
D is wrong, Sakleen. Ahmad, not getting a single answer from you. Out of so many questions, you just sent me 2-3 question answer. Mudabbir, correct answer. D is correct. Sakleen, D is wrong. Check your decimal sign. E is correct, Mudabbir. F correct, Mudabbir. Khadija, C is wrong. Check your answer from here. I'm doing it over here now. Those who are getting wrong answer, you can check it over here. Decimal may you have to convert. E, F, and G, Mudabbir, Muazzam has sent. E, F, and G. Correct answer. Muazzam, correct answer. E, F, and G. Mudabbir, G is correct. Sakleen, F is correct. And G is also correct.
Ma'am, instead of 3.50, we can write 3.5 also.
Yes. Okay, G तक मैंने दिया है. H, I, J, I'm writing over here. Khadija, why you are not getting correct answer? Khalid, this question you are not doing, not getting answer from you. Okay. H, Mudabbir, correct answer. Khalid, which answer you have given? Khalid, E part is wrong. Decimal, check decimal. I, Mudabbir has sent. Mudabbir, check your number of zeros in I. Three zeros only we are getting here. Okay, let me do it. 0.025 divided by 100, and we have to write it as decimal only, those zero. Yes, correct, Mudabbir, you are correct. 3 zeros only. Khadija, which part you have sent? J.
For I.
Mudabbir, J is correct. Sakleen, I is correct. No, Khadija, how you are getting this answer? You have to divide. When we are dividing by 100, shift decimal to left. Okay. So when we divide point to those zero, to or be those zero we'll add. 2 zeros we'll add, shift to left. And answer is 0.00 और एक zero already है 25. Yes, Mozam, correct answer. Okay. So we are done with all these conversions. Now we'll do. Okay, next word problems now. Mostly we get word problems. ये तो simple problems थे. So let us start with word problems. Gurpreet got, this is question number 5. Gurpreet got half the answers correct in an examination. What percent of her answers were correct?
50%.
50%. So you can take it as X and do like total number of questions were X. So X by 2 correct. So percentage kitna hua? X by 2 divided by X into 100. Okay. Which comes out to be 1 by 2. XX cancel ho jayega. 1 by 2 into 100. So 50%. Okay, this way you can calculate. वैसे question से समझ आ रहा है, but sometimes 2 by 3, 1 by 4 ऐसे करके रहेगा. So you can find out that ways. Okay. This is question number 5. Question number 6. This is also easy. Prakhar obtained 18 marks in test of total 20 marks. So what is his percentage? Yes, Khadija, you can do that. What is the answer? How will you find out? Out of 20, 90%, yes. What we'll do? 18 by 20 and multiply it by 100 to convert it into 100. So it is 90%. 7th question. Harish saves 900 out of a total monthly salary of 14,500. Find his percentage. So 900 out of 14,400. What is the percentage then? How much? Convert it into decimal. 6.25%. Okay. Okay, next question. How many questions are there? 2. Okay, time is over. So you can do 9, 8, 9, 10 as homework. Okay, this exercise will be over. Sorry, it is 10:51 now. Okay, so complete this exercise. 3 word problems are left. Simple, easy word problems are there. Tomorrow, next class, we'll start with next exercise. Okay, so this was just a revision of percentage, decimal. Yeah.
Ma'am, this is the second exercise of the chapter, right?
This is the first one, na?
Okay.
Is it second?
No, ma'am, I was asking.
No. This is first one only. We did first exercise, which is 8. 8.1. Okay, 8.1 ka question number 8, 9, 10 is left that you have to complete. Okay, at home. Rest of the questions we have completed. So that's all for today's class. See you in science. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.